sweeties, it's Elle. Today I'm gonna make a custom BT21 BTS phone case for my best friend Jean, because today, at the time of this video is uploaded, it is his birthday. I'm gonna go ahead and make that. I'm gonna show you my example on my phone case and what I did with that, and kind of apply the same principles to Jean's phone case. And you don't have to be a BTS fan or a BT21 fan in order to make a custom phone case. I'll leave all my items in the description, and yeah, let's go ahead and make this phone case.
So for this DIY, you only really need 4 supplies really. Of course, a phone case. Jean has a iPhone 11 Pro Max. I also have these GADGET decal stickers and also these DECO art stickers. Also this BTS lanyard, and all these items will be listed down below in my description. I'm going to start off with laying out our composition, which basically how do we want the phone case to look. I'm cutting out these DECO stickers because they're a lot easier to lay out on the phone case, and I'm just picking out, you know, the characters that correlate with Jean's biases. RJ for Jin, V for Tata, and Jungkook for Cookie. So just having a little fun artsy crafty time right there. Once I got all the stickers that I want to use for the phone case, I'm just going to go ahead and lay them out and see in terms of sizing and like spacing and see how they all kind of interact with each other. I'm not going for anything like perfection. I just kind of want to have more of that energy that BT21 tends to have, like that fun, playful energy, and kind of sounds like Jean now that I think about it. So I definitely want more of a feeling from this phone case than like, you know, perfect art looking design on this phone case, although that is important, of course. And when all else fails, you can just do whatever you want to your own personal phone case. It's just kind of like the process that I wanted to do for Jean's phone case. How pretty that is. So now that we got the phone case looking like we want, you can go ahead and attach this BTS lanyard, which, by the way, is optional. I know not a lot of phone cases do have those little lanyard holes for those, but this one does, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little lanyard, a BTS lanyard for Jean's phone case, just like mine. And if you guys are curious, I have a 15% off voucher for your next K-pop lanyard. It's not sponsored, I just don't want to use this voucher because I'm not going to buy another one. And then you're done. Let's look at this phone case. Yes, I purposely folded the lanyard so that we can look at Jin's beautiful face. I know Jean will appreciate that. And I'm also going to go ahead and include my phone case, which is in badly need of a deep clean. But yeah, I'm happy with how Jean's phone case turned out. It's really cute. I'm just going to go ahead and pack this up, get it all nice and ready for the departure.
So now that the case is done, all that's left to do is to go to the post office and send it. Let's go. Kaja!